guys, it's me Jerby from Couch Wasabi. Today our topic will be the top 3 Pinoy picks for e-vape juices. Hey guys, we're at All About the Vape in Pasig, and today we have Ate Regine to tell us ano ang top 3 niya dito, top 3 na juice.
Ito, yung Dipstick na Tokyo, tapos Resto Elemento, tsaka JB na D2X.
Magkano po yan?
Ito 350, 250, tsaka 350.
All local.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. Thank you. Bye! Hey guys, we're at Steam Factory, and Ate, can you tell us ano yung bestseller nyo?
Ang bestseller namin yung Fubus and Potencia. Yung Fubus, more on peanut. Ito naman pastry na creamy strawberry. At saka yung creamy custard.
How much po yan?
Premium is 300, 250 yung regular flavors.
Thank you!
Welcome.
So hey guys, we're at Vape Room, and Ate, ano ang top 3 selling juices nito?
Ito po yung top 3 na bestseller namin. Yung Pancake Man, yung N1, tapos yung Grape White.
How much po itong mga to?
Yung pancake po ma'am, 60 ml po siya, 1.5. May kasama na po siya sa loob na 2 unicorn bottle, tapos isang kitchen, tapos may... Yun po yung laman yun ma'am.
Yung N1 naman?
Tapos yung N1 naman ma'am, tobacco po siya na clean. 30 ml po siya.
I see. And then this one?
Ito po, Grape White, 120 ml naman po siya. Tapos, binibenta po namin siya ng 2.7.
I see. So all of these are from US?
Yes po.
Thank you so much!
Salamat po.
Hey guys, this is Jerby from Couch Wasabi. We're at Born to Vape in Quezon City. Kuya Francis, what's your top 3 best-selling juices dito?
Ang unang juice natin sa top 3 ay ang banana split ng SOB.
Magkano po yan?
It's worth 300 pesos. Ano siya ma'am? Banana split. Banana with ice cream. Next is Daily Clouds ng Premium E-Juice. Ice Breeze. Worth 250 pesos naman siya. Ano siya? Parang candy na breeze. Mint. Next is Afters Pink Milk. Bali ano siya ma'am? Worth 300 pesos naman siya. Strawberry
Ganda nito.
Strawberry milkshake siya.
I see. So lahat yan local?
Ma'am, local siya. Local made siya lahat.
Okay, thank you! Now it's time to share my top 3. And my top 3 would be Cloudberry Paranoia, Regent's Peach Iced Tea, and White Wolves. This is my top 1 row. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave your top 3 in the comments below. Be sure to click thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe because I will be giving away some prizes soon.